Now in this video I'm going to be showing you how exactly to get started with Magnet ecosystem. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to create your account and how to go on funding your account. All right, then there are other things that you need to know, like the airdrop. Okay, how to activate your airdrop and so on and so forth. Okay, so the first thing you need is you need a non-custodial wallet. You need a non-custodial wallet. That means you need a wallet other than an exchange. It is not an exchange. You don't need Bybit, you don't need Binance, you don't need KuCoin or Mexi. What you need is Trust Wallet or MetaMask or Token Pocket or any other wallet that is decentralized. Okay, then you need DAI. DAI is a stable coin. It's like USDT, but it's called DAI. 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 Okay, then that is a stable coin that you need. Then you need Polygon. This is Polygon. Yeah, this is Polygon. You need Polygon. Okay, this is Polygon. Poly. So this is the chain that is being this is the chain that is being built on for a start. That the project that the Magnet project is being built on. So you need Pol. You need Pol so that you'll be able to pay gas fee. Okay, that's is established. Then once that is established, then the next thing we do is to copy the link. Okay, copy the Magnet link. So this is the Magnet link now. So we copy the Magnet link. Yeah, see here, we copy the Magnet link. Then we come over to Trust Wallet. I'll be using Trust Wallet in this. I'll be using Trust Wallet for these demonstrations. Then I've copied Trust Wallet. Then the next thing I'll do is I will impute it. Go to browser, which is Discover here. I'll paste the wallet. I'll paste it here. Then I'll click on Go. Okay, so it's supposed to bring up a page. Okay, as I explained, here is the page I was talking about. The next thing to do, you need to do is to go to this. There's a 3 dot at the top right hand side, close to that 10. Okay, after after magnet.finance .space, then there's 10. Then the next is 3 dot. Click on it. Then you click on, you see share. So you see share. Now you see share. You see switch EVM network. Request desktop website. So you click on switch EVM network. When we do that, we'll come straight and click on Polygon. Polygon is the fourth option. You click on it. Then we'll click on it. The next thing to do is to click on these 3 lines close to Magnet. So we'll click it. Then click on Connect Wallet. We are trying to connect our wallet. Click on I agree. You are agreeing to the terms. Then click on Trust Wallet or click on the wallet that you are using for this purpose. Then click on Authorize. So what this simply means that you are giving this project access to this particular wallet. Then click on Confirm. Then you enter your code, your passcode. I know you have your passcode. Then voila, we have signed in. Okay, we have signed in to this to the Magnet ecosystem. We have created our account. Okay, so we'll click on Activate. So the next thing we need to do is we have registered. Okay, so this is registration. These registrations. Then the next thing that you need to do now is to come to look at this place. Okay, like close to this 0 and the Magnet logo. You see that 550.90. This is my wallet. Click on that wallet. So when you click on this wallet, you see referral link. You see wallet. You see go to landing page. You see logout. So click on that referral link. So when you click on this referral link, this become your referral link. If you want to build your own team so that you can make money, a lot of money through marketing, then this is the link that you'll be sharing to your people. Then you click this link and you share it to the person that you want to share it to. Or for instance, you do a webinar or whatever it is that you are using to grow your team, you can share it at the end or during the course of the webinar. So let's quickly go through. Then we are coming back to that place. Let's quickly go through. You can see the website. It has a lot. Okay, then you can see buy NFT are the slots that you buy. We have from slot 1 to slots. Okay, we have NFT 1 to 12. Okay, now I advise you to buy 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3 is not very expensive. It's about $35. Okay, this is it. Now say you want to buy, so you are buying at $5. You can see, so we don't have enough pool for us to do that transactions. All right, so that is simply how to go about it. Once you activate, then you start building your team. As you build your team, you earn commissions from up to 50% commission from successful people that you're able to get into the platform. Okay, the next thing to do to know is this. When you click on that same place, you go to landing page. Let's go to landing page and see what is there. Now on this landing page, you see a lot of things. You see main about us, ecosystem and roadmap, so you can study it and understand what this project is all about. Then you'll be in a better position to explain it to other persons. I have other materials that I can share with you so that you can better understand how the ecosystem works and how the marketing product works and how you can better position yourself. Then I think I'll also do a recording that talk about strategies that you can adopt to grow your team. Yeah, so this is simply what you need to know for the registration.